Hi friends, welcome to Great Fun channel. Today's topic is rounding of numbers. In that rounding off to the nearest 10. We'll see a few examples. Here the first example is, we can take any digit, but okay, here I'll take 34. Okay, see, in ones place it should be 4 or less than 4. Okay, in ones place it is 4 or less than 4. Then in ones place put 0. In tens place keep as it is. So when we do to the nearest 10, 34 will become 30. Hope this is clear. I'll take one more example. We can consider 23. Yes, see what I told. In ones place it is 4 or less than 4. Okay, if it is 4 or less than 4, then in ones place it will be 0, and in tens place it will remain as it is. So 23 will become 20. We'll move to next question. I can consider here as 55. Okay, when if it is in ones place, if it is 5 or more than 5, remember 5 or more than 5, then ones place it will be 0, and in tens place add 1, so it will become 6. So 55, when we do rounding off to the nearest 10, the value will be 60. One more example. Any number you can consider, so I'll take 99. Okay, yes, we'll see. See, in ones place it is more than 5, so keep 0, place in ones place. In tens place add 1, so 9 plus 1 is 10. So when we rounding off to the nearest 10, 99 will become 100. Okay, one more example. See here, I'll take 102. When we'll do rounding off to the nearest 10, see, in ones place it is 2, so keep it as 0, and same whatever it is, so the value will be 100. One more example. 133. Okay, in ones place it is 4 less than 4, right? So this will become 0 and this will remain as it is. So this will become 0. In tens place it will remain as it is, so the answer will be 130. I hope so this is clear. One last example for rounding off to the nearest 10. I'll consider 286. Yeah, see, in ones place it is more than 5. It is more than 5, so keep 0, and here in tens place add 1, so it will become 9. This will keep as it is because we are just worried rounding off to the nearest. So when we round off 286 to the nearest 10, the answer will be 290. Hope so this is clear. I'll just do quick revision. See, in ones place it is 4 or less than 4. It is 4 or less than 4. Ones place it will become 0, and in tens place it remain as it is. So 34 will become 30. Same way 23 also, it is less than 4. So in ones place it will be 0 and 2 will remain as it is. One more is, if it is 5 or more than 5, then ones place it will be 0. In tens place just add 1 to that number, then 5 will become 6. So 55, when we rounding off to the nearest 10, the value will be 60. Same way 9 is more than 5, so in ones place it will be 0. In tens place add 1 to the 9, so it will become 10. So the value will be 100. Next, the question is 102. In ones place it is 2, so it is less than 4, so it will become 0. In tens place it is 0, so write as it is, whatever number it is, so it will become 100 when we do nearest to 10. In the same way, 133, it is less than 4. This will become 0 in tens place. Write as it is. So the answer will be 130. One more is 286. 6 is more than 5. So in ones place it will be 0. In tens place just add 1. So it will become 9. 290 is the answer. Now we'll see rounding off to the nearest 100. The rule is same here, only the little difference we'll see here. See if example is 243. In when they told rounding off to the nearest 10 will consider as ones place. When it is 100 will consider as tens place. The rule is same. It is 4 or less than 4. The rule is same. So what will happen when it is 4 or less than 4? This will become 0 and in ones place also will become 0 and this in hundreds place it will remain as it is. So the value will be 200. I'll take one more example. Any examples you can take, so we'll see. Yeah. See, in tens place it is 4. What I told 4 or less than 4. So this will become 0 and in ones place it is also 0. Here it is 0 but if any other number is this we should keep it as 0 and this will remain as it is. So it will become 400. We'll move to next problem. The question here is 1887. Yeah, see. Here the in ones place it is 5 or more than 5. This is one more 5 or more than 5. This clears you keep it is 0 and ones also 0. Here just add 1. Then will this become 9. So answer will be 1900. 1887 when we round off to the nearest 100. See, observe in hundreds place the value is getting changed. When it is 10 in tens place the value will get changed. That's all. I'll take one more example. So we can consider here 5000. How much we can take? 5586. Yeah. See, you should observe 5 or more than 5, right? Where in tens place. In tens place is more than 5, so put 0. In ones also put 0. More than 5 now, so plus 1. So this will become 6 and this will become 5600 is the answer. Hope so this is clear. I'll do quick revision. When it is rounding off to the nearest 100, just observe tens place. If it is 4 or less than 4, then make the tens place as 0 and ones also 0 and in hundreds place whatever is the number keep it as it is. 243 when it is rounding off to the nearest 100 the value will be 200. 440 here the in tens place the value is 4. So in tens place the value will become 0, ones also 0 and in hundreds place the value will remain same. So it will be 400. Now in tens place here it is 8. If it is 5 or more than 5 then make in tens place keep it as 0, ones also 0. In hundreds place just add 1, though then it will become 8 plus 1 is 9. So 1900. Same. One more example later. Here tens place is more than 5. Here it can be anything. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like that. If it is more than 5 then keep it ones place 0, tens place 0. In hundreds place just add 1. So it will become 5600. Hope so this is clear. Next we'll see rounding off to the nearest 1000. Now here it is rounding off to the nearest 1000. Same rule, only the place values will change, that's all. So here what example we can take? 6253. Yeah, see. Here we have to see hundreds place when it is 4 or less than 4 in hundreds place. This is very important. It is less than 4, so place zeros in hundreds place, tens place and in ones place and in thousand place keep as it is. So the answer will be 6000. Next we'll see B. What example we can take? Any example. Only thing here it should be some values, that's all. See. In here it is 4. I told you 4 or less than 4. In hundreds place it is 4. So keep zeros in tens also. and the value at the thousands place will be as it is. So 9455, the value will be 1000. Next example, yeah, 7923. See here, it is 5 or more than 5. When it is 5 or more than 5, what rule applies? First you place all the zeros in hundreds, tens and ones. In whatever is there in thousand place, add 1. So this will become 7923. When it is rounding off to the thousand, the answer will be 8000. Remember, the value will change at the thousands place. Not every time we have to see properly. Right, it will be in thousands only. We'll see. We'll see here. Next example is 8999. Yeah. See here, it is 5 or more than 5 or 1 minute. Yes. 5 or more than 5 at hundreds place, okay? So it is more than 5, so place zeros in hundreds, tens and ones place. Here you add just 1, so it will be 9000, right? We'll consider one more example. What example we can take? So 3099. Very nice. So it is 0 means less than 4. So please keep 0 and displays also 0, 0. Displays as it is. So it will become 3000. Last example. 6119. Yeah. Hundreds place it is less than 4, so 0, this will be 0 and this will be 0. This will remain as it is. So 6000 is the answer. So these are the rules, and it's just to practice based on, like, when it is rounding off to 10, if it is less 4 or less than 4, 2 3 problems. If it is more 5 or more than 5, like that, if you practice, it will be easy. Don't get confused. When we are doing rounding off to the nearest in ones place, 100 means tens place, 1000 means hundreds place. That's all. And of rule will be same for all these things. Okay, hope so this is clear. Thank you friends, thank you for watching. Please like and share my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a great time. Thank you.